Hi guys, welcome back to another mukbang video. It's been a while since I've posted last, but here I have sushi, specifically sushi rolls. Yeah, stomach's not feeling too well, but I still really want sushi, so I opted for some cooked stuff. So sushi rolls it is. The only raw roll here is probably the chopped scallop roll. That one's actually raw scallops, but it's got so much mayonnaise and stuff like that. It's okay, I think. You guys are probably a little disappointed. No sashimi, no nigiri sushi or anything like that, but sorry. This is the best I can do at the moment, especially with my stomach. It's feeling a little weird. I'm okay, but it's just a little weird. Probably play it a little safer by having this instead of the regular entree. Look at that wasabi. Look at that wasabi. Yeah, not putting everything in. Probably just gonna put like this much in. Maybe this much as well. I do like wasabi, so I don't really mind it. But without further ado, let's eat. I felt like having California rolls today, and then I'm just like, you know what, I have no dinner. So might as well just order some other stuff as well. So just a little California roll there. Oh yeah, do a little intro here. California roll, chopped scallop roll, Dynamite Roll, and Samurai Roll. That really hits the spot. So, Monday. How's everyone doing today? Hope your Monday's good. Some of you might have start your weekends on Monday. Lucky you. It's my Monday, so you know how it is. But yeah. Lately I've been playing a lot of Pokemon Go. I noticed that I said that I'm not gonna be all crazy and stuff like that, but truth is, for the past couple days, my friends and I have been going out to parks at late night. Parks, malls, and hotspots late at night, all the way till like in the early morning. Yeah, the craze is real. It's real, alright, but it's fun. I mean, we get to hang out. Normally we don't hang out that much anymore, but this game actually brought us closer together again. Yeah. Went from like level 0 to 15 in a couple days, in 2 days. I don't know if that's fast or not, but I haven't caught any strong Pokemon at all. My Pokemon lately have been relatively weak sauce, and oh well. Honestly, right now I'm actually getting a little bored of the game because there's no rare Pokemon in my area, and I got stuff to do, so yeah, putting that aside for now. Oh yeah, so this is the Samurai Roll. It's basically a Dynamite Roll with eel and avocado on top. Another American creation, guys. And to drink, I have ginger ale. Pretty good. Yeah, so today I actually got my mic, the Rode Video Mic Pro from Amazon, but unfortunately I can't use it because it's a defect. I played with it for a long time. It's not working. What happened was it does record sound, but I was literally talking like this close to it, and it still sounds like I'm whispering. So imagine I'm probably a good like foot away from my camera right now, and if I do that, even with the plus 20 decibel, it's only gonna pick up so much sound. It's not good. So I'm returning that. I'm gonna buy it from the local camera shop, because apparently it turns out their price was pretty good. I completely forgot about the camera shop, so I'm gonna wait till I get my refund from Amazon and then I'll go get it. So, but I mean, right now my onboard mic on my camera is pretty good, I think. If you guys have anything to say about that, let me know, because I'll try to change it as soon as possible. But yeah. More chopped scallop roll. I just got off work today. Craziest day ever. Got up, when I first got in, it was kind of okay. Nothing's really happening. So I let my coworker go early. And the moment I do that, the moment he leaves, I see his car go. Oh man. This guy with a huge truck comes in, drops off like 38 boxes. That's not a problem, but the thing is, once I was dealing with that, a long lineup of people just started showing up. So I tried hurrying up. Normally I don't rush myself, but today I don't know, I just kind of did. And I miscounted. Good thing I didn't get the weights wrong, otherwise that would be a problem. I mean, that's a safety issue on the plane. If you get the weights wrong, you have to get like pretty much the most accurate weights possible. But the weights were correct. It's just the piece count was off, and I had to actually call up the base that was receiving these pieces and then get them to do a count of how many pieces they got. And because it's actually just the first leg of the trip on those pieces, so I got them to relabel everything, and there was like 32 boxes. They were not, sorry, excuse me. They were not happy. They were absolutely not happy. But then again, they might have done worse before, so kind of like a payback thing. I mean, I wrote it down in synopsis that was my fault. So then supervisors and managers, when they see it, they know it's my fault, and I mean, I'm gonna own up to it. There wasn't well, good thing is that there's no safety issues or anything like that, because it's only the piece count I got wrong, and as long as they got everything, it's fine. As long as I don't screw up the weights. That could, like, I mean, if you screw up the weights, you could potentially bring the plane down. Yeah, I mean, if you guys work in an airport, you probably know how important weight is. But yeah, I mean, I didn't get the weights wrong. The weights were all correct. So, it was okay, I guess. Ginger. You guys probably know how much I love ginger. A little spicy, not that bad. I like that tangy, crispy flavor it gives off. And Dynamite Roll is just like this. Prawn tempura. little avocado and some cucumber. I mean, if you live in the States or North America in general, you probably know what this is. I'm not sure about Europe or, well, Australia maybe as well, that as well, but I mean, yeah, North America in general, if you guys live there, you probably know what Dynamite Roll is if you eat sushi. Most likely. Right? I actually recently went to a buffet. Yeah, it was good. The local casino buffet. They try to make it like Vegas, but honestly, let's face it, Vegas probably has one of the best buffets in the world, so doesn't even come close. But then again, the only thing that I actually really liked about it was their prime rib. I mean, the meal was like on weekend Saturday, it was like $35. I think honestly, after having multiple plates of prime rib, it was well worth the price. The beef was so tender and juicy, it was nice. Obviously they have all the condiments available, so that was great. Sushi wise, lacking. It was lacking. And other food wise, it was meh. But you know, like, I mean, I was pretty much there just for the prime rib, let me tell ya. They had some sashimi there. It was like Thai salmon and spicy salmon. That was pretty much it for sashimi. And the sushi rolls was just California rolls and salmon skin. I think Alaska roll, what was it? And also tamago roll. Yeah, that was pretty much it. So I mean, I only had a few dishes of that, but focus was primarily on the prime rib. They had some crab legs, but it was sad. It was pathetic. It was seriously, like, I mean, you open the shell, and you have this thin little skin of meat. It wasn't worth all the work for just to crack open that shell. It was just, what the heck is this? So I only got like a plate of that. But yeah, I mean, it was my dad's birthday dinner, so he enjoyed it. That's all that's important, right? I'm a little disappointed with the mic. I mean, I saw some reviews on YouTube saying, like, I mean, the mic's good, but sometimes, like, it just doesn't work. I guess I'm one of those people. I'm part of that statistic now, so not impressed. But then again, I mean, Amazon has great refund policies, so you know that's taken care of. And once I get my refund, I'll get a new one. Hopefully that works. I really want to vlog on Friday because I'm going to this beach a little further away from where I live. So I want to vlog that, but I mean, I still could with onboard mic, but I don't think the sound quality is going to be good, especially with the wind and stuff like that. But I definitely hope that it's taken care of before my trip to Vegas, because that I'm definitely going to start vlogging in Vegas. The tail's really crispy, so that's okay to eat. I really like the way they fry up the shrimp in this place. It's really nice and crispy, so definitely fun to eat. I'm pretty sure some of you are probably like, oh my god, he's eating the tail. Oh my god, is that even edible? Yes, it is. And when they do it right, it's actually pretty good. It's crunchy, has that texture, but some places they actually just half-ass it, and it's just soggy and disgusting, so that you might not want to eat. But if they actually do it right, it's pretty good actually. And how do you know if it's done right? You just do. Last piece of chopped scallop rolls. I probably actually should have gotten a spicy one, but this is fine too. And if you're wondering where Snowball is, he's actually outside running his guts out, his lungs out. It's his favorite pastime, I don't know why, but he loves running outside in the yard, so if he likes it, go for it. I'm surprised he's not actually barking his brain out right now, you know? Because usually that's what he does too. But right now I guess he's just kind of just running around, just doing nothing but running around. So if he likes it, it's healthy for him. This is making me burp a lot. Last piece of California roll. This is the samurai roll, once again. Basically a dynamite roll, but with avocado and unagi on top. Last piece of this whole meal. And as you probably realized, I did not get a tamago sushi today, so if I did, that would probably be the last piece of sushi that I'd be eating, as usual. I see some of you already noticed that. But nevertheless, this was a fantastic meal again. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any requests, let me know. I'll try to fulfill them as soon as I can. I already know that I have a few requests that should be coming in pretty soon. Or I should be doing them pretty soon, I should be saying. But yeah, I mean, if you guys want to watch me eat something, let me know. I'll try my best to fulfill them. And once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!